What's up, everybody? So today we are taking another run up Buzzard Lagoon Road. I made a video a little while back of this road. It's one of the few dirt roads here in the Santa Cruz Mountains. Here's where it starts. Here's where the dirt starts. But I've still got the dirt tires on the bike since my camping trip to Yosemite. So I figured I'd take another run up Buzzard Lagoon and see what the difference is. Still pretty slippery, I must say, though it's worlds grippier than the Supermoto tires were. I'm told that these are still the stock tires that were originally on this bike when it was purchased new, so, and I'm told these tires are not great, but I don't really have experience with anything else, so can't hardly say for sure. But yeah, I can say that it's worlds better than Supermoto, but it's still pretty slippery out here. But anyways, don't know if we're gonna go all the way to the top like I did last time. I'll link that other video in the description so you can check that out. Today I'm going to see if I can actually find the lagoon. No idea if it's accessible by motorcycle. Actually, I have no idea if it's even accessible anymore. We are on this adventure together. See if I can even find any kind of turn-off for it. I don't recall ever seeing any sort of signs. I've got it punched into my navigation and it doesn't have a road that leads directly to it. It takes you to the approximate area and then gives you, I think, kind of just a random meander your way to the location from here sort of instruction. So we'll see, we'll find out. But yeah, if you're out here in Santa Cruz and you've got a little dual sport and it's driving you crazy that you have nowhere to take it, it's not the most amazing, though I haven't been on the little single track trails. I think they're kind of more for mountain biking than dirt biking, but I haven't seen any signs, that being maybe one of them. I'm not sure what's what out here really either, but those might get interesting. And even this one, it's still fun, considering there's really no other dirt out here. This is a good way to get your bike dirty. Couldn't find a whole lot of information on Buzzard Lagoon. What information I found was that there really is no fishing because there's not a whole lot of water. And in fact, this part of the year, it's probably doubtful that there is any water. So 800 feet it says. Hopefully we can turn right somewhere around here. We may have missed our opportunity to get in there. It's obviously barricaded for something. Not sure if it's private property or national park. Now this is clearly somebody's property here. Alright, so I believe this here is somebody's property, but on the map it looks like a little ways down here there should be a road on the left that may lead there. Probably that. We'll take a gander and see if there's anything else. Possibly that way. This must be it. Looked like some people were trekking down that way. Yeah, it goes quite a bit down here. Wow, there it is. I believe we have found the lagoon. That looks like a swamp for sure. Well, there you have it. Buzzard Lagoon, or Buzzard Lagoon. Probably don't want to go swimming in there. So yeah. I'll check you guys next time. We'll see what else we can find. Like and subscribe.